Say hello. Hello. So today we are going to be doing a STEM challenge. And Bear, would you like to read the challenge, please?
Before I read the challenge, I just want y'all to know I'm going to win it anyways. Okay. There's no point of doing it.
Okay.
The challenge, using only building blocks, design the tallest tower you can that is capable of stably supporting the weight of a tennis ball at the top.
Okay, so over here, guys, you will see our supplies. Each of you have your own thing of blocks. Bear has his Legos. You can only use the blocks. You cannot use the added structures that have come. So like any towers that they add or anything like that, you can't use those. You only use blocks. Princess has a bag of blocks. Bam has a bag of blocks. And we have tennis balls. We have 3 of these tennis balls. So that is our supplies for today's activity. So guys,
can we get them?
Well, first you have to think about what the process is when you are going through and trying to put something together. What's the first thing you want to do? Come up with a what?
Come up with a plan.
With a plan. So that's what we're going to do right now. Plan worksheets for Princess and for Bam. And for Bear, we have a little bit of a different plan worksheet for you. Ask a little bit more detailed questions.
More than these plans.
Well, this is how you're going to do it. The first thing that you're going to do is think about how you want to design it. So you have your pencils in here.
I pick my pencil.
Okay. So in the top one, top one that says first, F-I-R-S-T, you're going to draw what you would want your tower to look like. And then you can use the crayons to color it. So Bear, what you have going on here, obviously, you have some more thought process to yours. Just trying to think about how you want to construct it, and it's asking you questions to help you plan out your structure. All right, so go ahead and read these questions for me.
What do you already know about Legos or building blocks?
Why is that important?
Well, because you have to know, and you have to know information about what you're building or what you're using.
Okay. What else?
Like how builders like use okay, so what do I know about bricks, or what do I know about wood?
Exactly. Okay, next question.
What will your structure look like? How will it support the weight of the tennis ball?
Okay. Why is that important?
Because if you don't have a stable base, then all the weight is just going to be shifting around, and then it's going to fall and break.
Okay.
After you make your structure, explain how it's designed.
Okay.
And what is one way you could change your design to make it even better?
Why is it important after you make something to go back in and make improvements?
Because there's always going to be something that's going to need improvement.
Okay. Okay, Princess, can you tell me what you're going to build?
I'm going to build 3 castles.
3 castles?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my, that is going to be awesome. That's going to be awesome. And then you can use your crayons to kind of color it in, so you kind of know maybe if you want to use big blocks, you can make them one color. If you want to use small blocks, you can make those one color. Okay, Bam, tell us about your idea. You're done. Tell me what you got.
So I'm going to put two blocks on top of here.
Okay.
And then 2 more to stack them.
Okay.
And then 1, 2, 4 more to stack them, and then connect to this part, and then that will be on top of this. And then this.
Okay.
It's going to be my roof.
Okay, so it's going to have a roof too. Okay.
Yeah.
How long do you think it's going to take you to build that?
6, 7 minutes. 219 minutes.
219 minutes?
218 minutes.
18 minutes. That makes sense. Take a minute off. That makes sense. It's good time. Good time. Okay.
And I'm going to have this on my castle.
Okay. You mind sharing with us what you got working over here, sir?
So I'm trying to decide if I want to make it kind of like a tower where it's kind of like steps, like how the ancient Egyptians made their pyramids before they made them flat.
Okay.
Or I'm trying to decide if
Wait,
I
no, I
want to
wanna
make a
build
base
a robot.
and make it smaller.
Mama, I want to actually build a robot.
Okay.
Mama, I want to build a robot today.
Okay. Okay.
So,
Alrighty. So once you guys are done, then we're going to come over here and I'm going to watch you build, and then we will present our finished products.
But really, I think I'm going to try both and see how they both work out.
Okay.
and then
We are working over here. Working and humming. Whenever he starts humming, he's in really deep thought. Okay. Got Bam over here working. Trying to figure out what supplies he's going to use. Oh, you already building something?
Yeah.
Okay, Princess. Working on her castle. Oh, please don't be gentle to my table. Remember, you want to have the tallest tower, so we're going to measure them.
So I'm going to measure mine. Mine needs to have these on top.
Okay. What are you over here doing, sir?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
So right now I'm trying to get all the supplies I need. Don't touch my stuff thank you very much.
Oh my, territorial are we? Territorial are we?
I'm trying to get all the supplies that I need to make these pillars to try and make it super duper tall.
Okay. You over there with the really tall tower. What are you doing?
So these are the guns.
Oh, those are guns? Wow.
This is the bottom.
Okay.
And this. And all this is wood.
Oh, okay, cool. That is an
All
awesome
this
tower,
is
man.
wood to make the top.
Okay. And then we have Princess, who is making her castle on the table. Looks so good.
And all you put the tennis ball on it. There. Yep.
Oh, wow. Wow. So we have here our first completed project. So this is Bam Bam. Tell us about your tower.
It was good.
Okay, show me what you did on here.
So, this is all the bricks, and that's what I made. I used bricks. I used pretend bricks.
Uh-huh.
These blocks, I'm using pretend. I'm using pretend to be bricks. And
Okay.
all this, and all these blocks, wood. And all of them pretend to be wood.
Wow, okay. Princess, are you done too?
Yeah.
Okay, set yours down.
Smaller.
It's okay. So she's done. She's done. Introducing Princess and her beautiful creation. Tell me what you got going on here, girl.
Wood is wood, so that's all the stuff.
Okay, well, hold on. Step to the side. I can't see. Princess.
So that's wood.
Wood. Okay.
That's army, so that will be.
That's the army car.
That's the castle of wood.
Alrighty. So she made a castle, and then she made an army car to put her tower on and the tennis ball. Princess's creation. Uh-huh.
This is the army that just did that.
That's wonderful. Alrighty. So what we got going on here?
So this is my tower.
Okay. How much is it? How tall is it? How tall is your tower?
It is 6.9 inches.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. So tell me, is there anything that you would have done differently? Anything that you could have improved upon?
Well, anything that I could have improved upon
Or done differently?
definitely
Same thing.
would definitely be making this base shorter and just using this as my base and using this to hold it.
I'm
So I
gonna
can
see
have
how
more
many,
Legos
how
to
many
make it taller.
points is it.
Okay.
How many points again?
Alrighty. And so why don't you try doing that and see what that looks like?
Okay.
See if it works.
Ta-da!
Look at you all proud. Look at you.
I'm proud.
So, Bear, can you tell me what you're doing right now?
So right now I'm adding more so that way it can be taller, because I still have 4 more leftover ones that I can use to put it on these 4 pillars.
Oh, okay.
So I'm just adding these on there, and once I have these, if I don't see any more in my Lego bin, then I'll just put it on, and I'll put these colors on the base.
Okay.
I can do
Cool.
this color, Mama.
Okay, so he has added and taken away. Added and taken away. He has broken it, put it back together. This is your, what, 4th or 5th construction of this?
Yeah.
Okay. You think this is the one?
Is that my 3rd or 4th one?
Okay. So, let's see if it's stable.
I lost count.
All right, look at you. You feel proud?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, let's measure it.
Gotta give me the roller. Roller.
All right, so tell me what the measurement is.
The measurement is 8.5. I'm gonna wait. 8.
You should see your face. What's the measurement?
8.6.
8.6. 2 inches, huh? 2 extra inches. All righty. Good job, man. Looks good.